Good morning, my dear students. Today's concept is marketing concept. Now let us discuss about our marketing concept. Concept of marketing. Here, our topic is concept of marketing. Need. A driver of a human action, which marketers try to identify, emphasize, and satisfy, and around which promotional efforts are organized. Here, human beings means customers are in the driver's seat. So, these people are demanding. We want to identify the customer needs, wants, desires, and demands. And here, marketers are trying to identify and emphasize and satisfy around which promotional efforts are organized. Here, customers are having some requirements. Those requirements should be identified by the marketers. And to fulfill their requirements, the marketers want to provide product and services towards them. And coming to the second one, want. This is quite different from need. Want aren't permanent and it is regularly changes. Here, we want to know the difference between need and want. Need means basic needs, water, shelter, clothing, house. Coming to want means after fulfilling the needs, only human being demands about wants. Without want, the human being can survive in the world. But without the basic needs, a human being cannot survive in the world. And coming to the want, this is quite different from need. And want are not a permanent. Want will be changes regularly according to the time passes, and people requirements and location change. So want is quietly different from compared to need. And here wants are essential for humans to survive, but it associated with needs. For example, if we always manage to satisfy our wants, it transforms into a need. Coming to the demand, let us discuss about demand concept and the boring explanation process and start with an example. And there are two options. You either buy a Samsung phone or Apple phone, though the prices are really different from. Here, Samsung phone cost is $150 and coming to the Apple mobile, $780. We had preferred to purchase Apple product compared to Samsung product. Why? Because can we affordable? If we financially strong, then we will go to Apple mobile. If we are not financially strong, then we will prefer Samsung phone. That's all. And it means that we have transformed our want need into demand. Without mobile also, so many years a man can survive in the earth. But at present, the mobile become a want and it is habituated, so it is turned into need. So the key difference between want and demand is desire. And consequently for people who can afford a desirable product are transforming their wants into demands. In other words, if a customer is willing and able to buy a need or a want, it means that they have demand for that need or want. ఇక్కడ కస్టమర్ అనేవాడికి విల్లింగ్నెస్ ఉంటేనే అప్పుడు నీడ్ కానీ వాంట్ కానీ డిమాండ్ కానీ ఉంటుంది. When the customer are not having the willingness to purchase the products, then there is no need, no want, no demand, no desire exist in the market. Coming to the product and transaction. Here, product is a good and commodity, and product is anything that can be offered to a market and that might satisfy a want or a need. In retailing, products are called merchandise. Business is called mercantile. Product is called merchandise. And coming to the manufacturing, products are bought as a raw materials and sold as a finished goods. Here in market, we are having two different type of products, consumer oriented products and industrial products. What is the difference between consumer products and industrial product means? Here raw materials are used to manufacturing a final product, means raw materials always required for industry. So raw materials are called as industrial products. Okay. And coming to the finished good, always offers for consumers only. So all finished goods are related to consumer oriented products. And coming to exchange concept, open organized marketplace. Here stock market is there. It is an open organized marketplace. Here buyers and sellers are negotiated the prices. And in stock market, there is bull and bear. Bull indicates the price value increases and bear increases share value downwards. And exchanges are required an almost instant real-time bid, ask matching mechanism, settlement and clearing, and market-wide price communication. Coming to here, share market, there will be a several number of buyers and sellers. Here, shares will be transferred from owner to buyer. And coming to here, we should know the clear information about price. So when price communication is very clear, then purchasing will be happen. And coming to the transaction, exchange of goods or services between a buyer and seller. Here, every transaction has three important components: transfer of the goods, service, and money. Here, when the goods is sold to the buyer, then immediately the transfer of the goods or service will happen, and immediately the ownership of a good will be transferred to the buyer from seller. And the transfer of exchange rights, when the good is transferred, immediately ownership also transfer, and immediately the rights of the goods will also transfer. This is about transactions of good or services. Coming to the marketer, a person whose duties include identification of goods and services. Here, the main important duty of a marketer is to identify goods and services which are necessary for consumer purpose, as well as marketing of those goods and services behalf of a company. A marketer will struggle a lot. Here, the main duty of marketer is he want to identify the need, want, desire, and requirements of a customer, and yes, behalf of company, he will try to promote the products, services towards customers, and overseeing a developing marketing campaign. Here, marketers mainly focusing on overseeing the market and developing the marketing campaigns, and he will promote the product or service in the market. And he finally conduct the research and identify the requirements of the consumers and analyze the data, and he identify the define the audiences. After conducting the research, this data is submitted to the organization. Organization will do the analyze the research data. After analyzing the research data, it is given to the research and development department. According to the requirements of the customers, research and development people will research the product and they will manufacture a product, and finally the company will release that product in the market. When the consumers purchase that particular product and use it, if he is satisfied, finally marketer will get a success in the marketing. And coming to next point, devising and presenting ideas and strategies. Here market want to invite new ideas and new strategies, then only we can survival in the market. And coming to the promotional activities. Promotional activities nothing but advertising. Researching the market purpose is very good, and later we will design a product and we will launch a product in the market. Then the duty of the market not at all completed. Now the marketer want to focus on promotional activities to advertise about the product or service in the market. Now he want to educate the customers or consumers, and he want to tell the importance of product or services. So the promotional activity is the best way to educate the customers and build up the awareness of the customers, attract the customers. And here AIDA concept is developed. AIDA concept: attention, interest, desire, action. Here advertising will attention the customers and makes the interest of customers and makes the desire of the customers and makes the customer to take a action, means purchasing a product. That is called AIDA concept. And comparing and distributing financial and statistical information towards the team. And he want to write a business plan with a proofreading creative copy. He should have a very good strategy how to develop a business in the market. And he want to maintain a company website looking at data analyst. In this website, he want to provide company related information and product services related information. It will make the awareness of customers, and by visiting the websites, the customers will attract towards our company products and services. And he want to organize events and product exhibitions. Here in market, we have seen that, for example, film industry will organize the several number of events, that award functions, audio functions, pre-release events, trailer launch events, etc. And product exhibition means Lapakshi exhibition, handlooms, handcraft, food exhibitions, and flower exhibition, etc. Updating the databases and using the customer relationship management. Here we want to maintain a very good customer relationship management in the market. Then only you will get a loyal customers in the market. Here loyal customers are permanent customers of our company. And he want to coordinate internal marketing and an organizational culture. And he want to monitor the performance of a company, product or service in the market. And he want to conduct advertising campaigns on social media. The social media brings a lot of awareness among the consumers in present contemporary days. Need of marketing in business sector and non-profit sector and government sector. Here, marketing helps in transfer of exchange movement of goods. Here, marketing is very helpful in transfer of exchanging and movement of goods. It is nothing but selling the products and services in the market. Then only we are able to transfer goods towards to sellers and buyers. And goods and services are made available to the customers through various intermediate wholesalers and retailers. Here, channels of distribution concept is very important. In channels of distributions, we will have the number of people, manufacturers of the product and dealers of the product, wholesalers of product, retailers of the product, and consumers. By the help of marketing intermediates only, the industrial products will get to the customers, and making it is very helpful to both producers and consumers. And to farmer, it tells about specific needs and preferences of consumer. Here marketing will tell us about the preference and importance and need of a product and services towards the consumers. According to the professor Hanny Hansen, marketing involves the design of the product is acceptable to the consumers and the conduct of those activities which facilitate the transfer of ownership. Here, the product design should be acceptable by the consumers, and the conduct of activities or facilitate that ownership will transfer to seller to buyer. In market, when buyer is coming to the seller for purchasing a product and he given the money, then immediately the seller will transfer the product. After the transferring of the product of ownership also immediately transfers and product rights also immediately transfers. Marketing is helpful in raising and maintaining standard of living of the community. Here, marketing is very helpful in raising and maintaining better standard of living of the community. Here, marketing is about all the giving of standard of living to the community. Here, marketing is the delivery of standard of living. Means Professor Malcolm McKnight has further added that marketing is a creation and delivery of standard of living to the society. ఇక్కడ ప్రొఫెసర్స్ అనే వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్తున్నారంటే మార్కెటింగ్ అనేది ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ని అలాగే సర్వీసెస్ ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంది అని చెప్తున్నారు. దాని ద్వారా ఇక్కడ మార్కెట్ లో ఉన్న కస్టమర్స్ యొక్క స్టాండ్ ఆఫ్ లివింగ్ ని పెంచుతుంది అని చెప్తున్నారు. అండ్ బై మేకింగ్ అవైలబుల్ uninterrupted supply of goods and services to the consumers at reasonable products. Here, marketer will provide very good goods and services toward the need fulfillment of consumers at reasonable prices. And marketer will help, and he plays very important role in raising and maintaining living standards of commodity. And coming to the community comprises three classes of people. Here in India, people are divided into three categories: rich people, middle class people, poor people. And everything which is used by these different classes of people is supplied by market. Here we are having three kind of peoples in the market. We want to find the base up of consumption level, income level of people, and we want to focus on their income levels and consumer power only. We want to produce goods or services in the market. In the modern times, we emerge of the latest marketing techniques. Even poor section of the society have attained a reasonable level of living standard. In modern times, everybody are getting very good income levels. Now the gap between poor people and rich people is reduced. That tells in the market. And this is basically due to large scale of production. When all people are affordable to purchasing in the market, the large scale of production is happens and the prices are very less and services are getting for very reasonable prices. Then very perfect marketing situation will happen in the market. And marketing as an infant revolutionized and modernized. Here, living standard of people in modern times. Here at present days, marketing is become revolutionized and modernized. Marketing creates employment. Here, marketing is a complex mechanism. It is very difficult to understand. Here, many people will involve in different criteria: sellers, buyers, advertisers, distributors, manufacturers, wholesalers, retailers, customers, consumers. These all the people are involved in the marketing environment. And the major marketing function is buying the products, selling the products, financing the products, transporting the products, and storing the products in warehouses. Here, market want to face the risk and he want to maintain standardized product in the market. In each function, there are different type of activities that are performed by a large number of individuals. Here in market, there will be different type of activities that those are large number of individuals and bodies. In market, there will be a lot of customers. We want to identify them. And here marketers gives employment to the many people. And it is estimated about nearly 40% of total population in India are dependent on the market directly or indirectly. And coming to the modern era of large scale production, industrialization takes place and role of marketing has become wider in concept. Here, enlarged role of marketing has created many employment opportunities. Here in modern area, large scale of production taken place and marketer role is becomes very wider, and industrial revolution takes place in modern era, and it creates large number of employment in our society. Here, Converse, Hughie and Mikkel have rightly pointed out that in order to have continuous production, there must be continuous marketing. Only the employment can be sustained and high level of business activity can be continued. Here, we are having very good large amount of production in the market, but there should be marketing of the product and service only. So when we will get the good marketing in the society means we want to generate more number of employment, then employees will do better marketing services in the market. Then the sales will be increased, revenue will be increased, and we will get a huge number of profits. Marketing as a source of income and revenue. Here, the performance of marketing function is all important, and because it is only way through which the concern could generate revenue or income. Here, the best performance of marketing function is it want to create or generate revenue and income, and it brings the profit towards the organization. Here, Buskrick has appointed that any activity which is connected to income is a marketing action, and it is also too easy for accountant, engineer, etc. to operate the broad assumption that the company will realize many dollars in total sales volume. However, someone must actually go into marketplace and obtain the dollars from society in order to sustain the activities of company. Because without these funds, organization will perish. Here, marketing is important source. It will generate revenue, it will generate sales, and it generates income, and it generates profits in the market. And marketing will provide very good employment opportunities, and it is helpful to rise the Indian economy also. This income and profit are reinvested in the concern, thereby earning more profits. When we are getting huge number of profit, we will reinvest again in the business, that to build or to create more number of profits in future markets. And coming to the market should be given greatest importance in present days, since the very survival of companies depends on effectiveness of marketing function. When the marketing function is performed in very good manner, immediately the company will get huge success. Marketing acts as basis for making decision. Here, by the help of marketing only, organization will take important decisions. A business firm is confronted with many problems in form what, how, when, how much, for whom to produce. Here, businessman will think about the marketing conditions. He is thinking what type of product should be I want to produce, how to produce, when to produce, how much production I want to give it in the market, for whom I want to sell the products. So many type of questions are getting towards business people regarding marketing. In the past, problems was less on account of local market. At present, we are having huge number of problems. And now the one and only solution is that we want to identify the customer pulse. There was a direct link between producer and consumer at present days. In modern times, marketing has become a very complex and tedious task. And coming to marketing has emerged a new specialized activity along with production. Here, marketing is also having very good specialized activities, that is production, means it is manufacturing the products and services. As a result, producers are depending largely on mechanism of marketing. Here, producer always depending on largely mechanism of marketers to decide what to produce and sell. With the help of marketing techniques only, producer can regulate his production according by understanding the consumer's pulse and consumer attitude, customers' behavior, and purchasing behavior. We can give the better information towards the market. And then this marketing information is very helpful to take important decision from the organization that leads to profits to the our company. Marketing acts as a source of new ideas. Here, marketing is one of the important source of new ideas. The concept of marketing is a very dynamic concept. According to situation, time, the marketing concept will changes. That's why we'll call it as marketing is a dynamic concept. And such changes have far reaching effects on production and distribution. With the rapid change in consumer taste and preference of the people, marketing has to come up with the same. And marketing is one of the important instrument of measuring of the understanding the new demand pattern in the market and thereby produce and make available goods accordingly. And coming to the next point, marketing is very helpful in developing of an economy. Adam Smith has remarked that nothing happens in our country until somebody sells something. Means marketing is kingpin that sells the economy is revolving. What is the inner meaning of Adam Smith quote is we want to start the manufacturing of products and services. We want to marketing the products and services. We want to sell the products. Then only revenue will be generated. When the revenue is generated, we will get profits. Then it is led to increase the country's income. The marketing organization more scientifically organized and makes the economy strong and stable. Here marketing organization is a scientifically organized and it makes a strong economy. And here marketing is very stable and lesser stress on marketing function. That will weaker will be the economy. Thank you, my dear students. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.